see where this road goes. Ooh, I can hear some squeaky bushes on the door. But ask me if I give a shit. That's what trucks are for. Especially four-wheel drive trucks. Check them rocks out in that mountain. Wherever it converges down in, I'm going to take the metal detector up there with me and some prospecting tools and see what I can find. The weather's really great here. It's 80 degrees here, and this is tolerable. Oh boy, look, a road. Right? Oh! Broke into a road. Now, what I really need is a nice flat spot with an outstanding view. That's what I want. Ah, behold, a flat spot with an outstanding view. Let's see, I want to look out the dinette window. Look out over that horizon. I'm somewhere in Skull Valley, Arizona. And I found this little dirt road to pull off. I'm winding up through the rocks here. See these great big boulders. So here I am, parked for the day and the night and probably tomorrow. Because see all them old boulders out over there? I'm just going to go wandering around there and just see what the hell I can find. And right where I'm parked, you can see this vein right here. See that sparkling vein? All these rocks have got something in them that really make them sparkle. There's a lot of mixtures going on here. So I got my prospecting hammer out and I'm going to chisel on this little vein that's sticking up right here. Runs right across over there, and I've been picking as I've been going, but the vein stuck out here the most, so I've been working at it, and it looks like quartz with mica in it. Yeah, that's that shiny stuff you see is mica. At least I think that's what it is. So what I'm going to do, because I didn't find any gold, I'm going to leave a gold nugget right here for somebody to find. I'm going to put some rocks kind of back in here and fill us in a little bit, and somebody's going to look down there and they're going to have a holy shit moment. Look at that gold nugget!